Into Tools is the first DIY value comparison site. In today's video we have the Martindale socket tester. Links are in the description below. Let's get into today's video. The BZ101 provides a fast and simple solution for checking that 13A sockets are wired correctly. It uses the same LED indication as the CP501 but has the added benefit of an audible sounder to confirm that the wiring is correct. This is particularly useful when checking sockets that are not easily visible or in difficult to access locations. With the audible indication, the buzzer can also be used as a basic fuse finder. When the correct fuse is pulled, the buzzer stops. The specifications include the following. It has an operating voltage of 230 volts. The frequency range is 30 to 70 Hz. The power consumption is less than 3 watts. It has a temperature range of -10 to 40 degrees Celsius at max 60% RH. The supply is from the mains. It complies with BSN 61010-1. The dimensions are 65 by 65 by 47 mm. It has a safety rating of Cat 2 300V. Martindale Electric was founded in 1928 and its purpose is to keep people safe in the workplace. They provide support through electrical safety testing, electrical measurement solutions and best practice guidance for electricians and service professionals. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more products on Into Tools.